Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the opacity of a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just have to go into a project. Like this. Then tap on the edit in the bottom row. Then scroll to the right. And here we find opacity. If we tap on this, then we have this slider, and we can set the opacity of the clip from 0 to 100. After we have found the one that we like, we can just tap on OK, and it's going to be applied. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.